Hi, this is Natasha Jackson, and welcome to my presentation on important considerations for use of mobile phones in the classroom. Yes, mobile phones in today's classroom. There are many good reasons why they should be there. First, let's consider some of the pros. Cell phones offer students unique learning opportunities. In this atmosphere of information, students can create interactive learning experiences where they're more likely to retain the information. And also, it provides an additional layer of personal security. Well, not everyone agrees with cell phones in the classroom, and rightfully so. For example, cheating. Cheating. Students are going to cheat with or without cell phones. However, cell phones make it that much easier for them to pull up information that they don't know because it's right in their pocket. Or when they're looking down between their legs while taking an assessment, you know what's going on. It also increases their time in front of the screen, and that has had some negative effects with some studies. But one reason that is very scary is the fact that students may have access to materials that are definitely prohibited on school property. Another reason is that all students may not have a cell phone, and that could present some negative effects in the classroom as well. It could be a distraction. Sometimes parents call students, or sometimes parents text students during the middle of class. Also, cyberbullying can happen more frequently in real time. And finally, students will become more likely to be socially isolated. So, no, some people believe that cell phones should not stay in the classroom. There are more reasons why they shouldn't, but it is up to the individual. Now, if you have a terrific administrator, there are things that an administrator can do to kind of level the playing field, to kind of make sure that everyone is acceptable with the terms. For example, the administrator needs to provide an acceptable use policy agreement to every cell phone user in the school. The teacher should also be trained on how to use them effectively and how to implement them and what they're already doing. It is important that students learn the ethical use of cell phones in their classroom so that they will be globally ready to participate. Now, the Interactive Society for Technology Education, also known as ISTE, is available to provide different curricula for schools around the country. And they will make global citizens. They also have an online game called Interland. And this game is designed to help students to combat people who are making their lives unsafe, because in this age of human trafficking, that is definitely a way that the traffickers can reach the children. But there are some other people who the students will learn how to combat listed on your screen. Now, the name of the curriculum is the Common Sense Media Curriculum, and that is going to, again, integrate cell phones usage with daily lessons, and the teachers will also be able to implement them into their daily objective. Students will learn safety, digital citizenship, in addition to creativity with their critical thinking. So that alone will increase the rigor. And this also provides for collaboration with students working on projects together. And as long as each student is represented with what they need, they shall be okay. So that is my program. Thank you for joining me.